Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T10 and let me share with you how to activate the automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Tablet, scroll down again and keep tapping on the build number, which may be quite confusing, but if you want to learn more about the developer options, because right now we just activated them, find my video about that, I've just recorded it. So after tapping on the build number, enter the system and tap on the developer options. And here basically all we have to do is to find the automatic system updates and tap on the switcher. Right now this option is active, so your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you don't really have to remember about manually updating your device, but remember about restarting it from time to time. Alright, of course you can turn that off here. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your DOOGEE T10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.